Swedish meatballs are everywhere in Sweden. At home, at restaurants, at holidays, in lunchboxes, and somehow also inside furniture stores. On paper, they sound simple. Small meatballs, potatoes, cream sauce, lingonberries, pickled cucumber, a combination that shouldn't fully work together but absolutely does. Swedish meatballs are also smaller than many people expect. Not giant, not overloaded, just properly sized for eating approximately 14 of them at once. Then there's the cream sauce. Smooth, warm, very beige. A color palette Sweden has trusted for generations. And somehow sweet lingonberries are part of it too, which sounds strange to a lot of foreigners at first until they try it. And suddenly, it just makes sense. Almost every Swedish family has their own version. More onion, less onion, mixed meats, specific spices, quiet but serious opinions about texture. Meatballs also appear at almost every major holiday. Christmas, Midsummer, Easter. At this point, they're less of a dish and more of a recurring national participant. Then IKEA introduced them internationally, which means millions of people have eaten Swedish meatballs immediately after buying shelves with impossible instructions. But Sweden doesn't love meatballs because they're fancy. It's the opposite. They're reliable, familiar, comfort food that works in almost every situation. Because Swedish food culture often values things that are practical, consistent, and quietly comforting, which might explain the meatballs perfectly. Small meatballs, cream sauce, potatoes, lingonberries. Simple food taken very seriously. Subscribe to discover Sweden the Swedish way.